Hey guys, what's going on? It's Don here from Nova Spirit Tech and welcome back to the channel. And today we are going to be checking out the ATOTO S8 Ultra. So now this is a radio head unit for cars, and this was the same exact version that I was planning to purchase for my WRX. And they do have multiple versions, which is the standard, premium, pro, and this one is the ultra, and vehicle specific builds as well. Now each version doesn't particularly mean it's the same thing. Like the standard version is actually for a single DIN with a pop-out LCD, and you don't get the SIM card access and all that other stuff. So which means you have to look up which version that works for your vehicle. In my case, the Ultra would definitely work for the Subaru. Now, if you're not planning to build your own head unit like I did, this is definitely something to look into, because I've been playing around with this for the past couple of days out of my car, just like this. And I gotta say, I'm very impressed with the Android operating system that they put into here. But before we jump into that detail, let's see what hardware it comes with. Now, obviously, we got the double DIN head unit, and then we also get a bunch of USB cables. Actually, it's 4 in total, and each one does something different. One has the phone connect, the other ones have quick charge, so you got to see which one you actually really want to plug in, because you don't have to use all of them. Now, you do get an external GPS, and also external Wi-Fi and external 4G, as well as a bunch of mounting hardware dependent on the vehicle. They have a universal fit, then they have specific fits, so you might be able to find yours in here. They have 3 different plates that you could work with on your vehicle. It also does come with 2 screen protectors, just in case you screw one up or you mess one up. They do come with 2 screen protectors, but most importantly, it are the instruction manuals. The instruction manuals, they look how many they come with. It's 4 different ones, and one teaches you how to install. The other one teaches you how to use the hand gestures, how to use the radio itself. So definitely look into the actual owner's manual so you could learn how to use the system, because there's a lot of features in here.